Hi, everyone. This is Dr. Jyoti Rao from Shakti Health and Wellness Center, and I want to talk to you today about hormone replacement therapy. We offer hormone replacement therapy for both men and women, whether it's for women PMS or perimenopause or menopause, postmenopause, and for men, different stages of their life, including something called andropause, which men go through as they lose testosterone, sometimes as they age, and also as insulin resistance goes up. So we are having a program which includes multiple modalities, including lifestyle education, using herbs, supplements, nutrients, as well as hormone replacement itself, whether it's creams, troches. We use oral agents for progesterone as well as pellets. We've just introduced pellets into our regimen, so that is also an exciting thing that we're offering as a tool for hormone replacement. Again, it can be personalized to what you are comfortable with and what is right for your body, as well as for your situation and where you are in life. But we are excited to talk to you about it. So if you have any questions, please give us a call and discuss with us whether you're a good candidate. Thank you.